welcome back to another episode of Citéh the Fives. You know what's going on live. Today we play Crouch Potatoes. Big game for us, not so much for them. They're kind of secure in the league right now. We kind of need the 3 points for battling relegation zone. We're above Fenton Tigers, I think, by 2 points in this game before this game started. Yeah, man, sit back and let's get it cracking, man. Alright, let the sparring commence. Whistle's gone. They start moving the ball around. Little 1-2s, but it's pickpocketed. You might recognise the player who's on the left wing, Jay. Great player, fast, good feet. Pickpocketed him. He didn't have a game, so said to come and join us at this point. The boy Liam was running late. He was coming from training, and yeah, man, needed a player, and he helped the job. But yeah, man, early sparring. We've got Jacob in goal. Cam with a great ball into Jay. It's just a bit too far ahead. Gets out of that corner. Little pass inside, cut out. They come forward, try to find a shot. We've got Jacob in goal. Jacob the cat. Told you he's fast. We got Jacob the cat in goal. 0-0. And I think this was the first 5 until you see Liam Commons, first 5. So it was, to be fair, it was a very like 50-50 first 5 minutes, no scoring, just feeling each other out, just both teams throwing some jabs and that. You throw one, but it's wild. Supporters on the sideline saying it was a definite goal. We got Jacob in goal. Anyway, 0-0. Probably about 10 minutes in now. Still the ball and drive.
There you go, Liam.
I'll put my house on it.
Hey, well done, Cam.
Anyway, Crouch Potatoes, they kind of got us pinned in our half at the moment. And we find a way out.
Brad, you're so good.
I'll put my house
He's
on
not
it.
making it.
Little outside of the boot into the boy Liam. Takes his player on. You know he's good at it. Slips on the ball. Misses out. Drags that one wide. Still 0-0. Matt into Jay. Jay gives it back, but Matt doesn't quite read it. He's played the 1-2 himself here.
Unlucky, Jay. Well done.
It's just unlucky he can't get around the last man.
DJ, follow.
Anyway, jabs being thrown around. They're moving the ball quite well, man. Their passes and the way they're getting the back decent, but they can't quite seem to break us down. Anyway, that shot's wayward. No good.
How the fuck is that?
Anyway, Jay dazzling us. Gets a shot off. Keeper parries that into the air. No, flew around the corner. That's unlucky. Yeah, Liam working hard. Gets back. Gets the ball. Passes forward. I'll put my house on it. 0-0. It's about 15 minutes in. And this happens. It's unlucky. I think the ref said it took about 18 minutes for them to get for either team to get a goal. Anyway, that one's off the backboard. I expected Cam to slap it first time. Liam gets it. Cam, first touch inside. Keeper holds. No, he doesn't. Now he does. Anyway, twisting and turning. 1-2s. Balls being moved around. Past. Stretching us. This guy just flicks it around the corner. Takes him for a jog. Nothing comes from it though. Anyway, Matt, the soldier he is, gets the ball, play on, plays the whistle. That's what my old coach used to say. Tries to play a Hayward pass. They punish us. 2-0, just like that, blink and you miss it. Anyway, Liam doing his defensive duties, gets it back, puts it through his letterbox, goes all the way. He normally finishes those. 2-0, blink and you miss it. It's a clean finish though. Just like that, 3-0. And then this happens. Literally from kickoff, you can't make it up. Anyway, 4-0. Spoke too soon. You wouldn't believe that this was in what, like 5 minutes. That they got us again. 6-0. There's another. I'll be so real, the way that it's happened, the way I'm showing you it's happened, it pretty much happened. It's like we just went dead for like the last 5 minutes. Because we conceded the first goal at 18 minutes. Then there was a sub at 20. And yeah, man. We're going 7-1. It's half time.
What's 7-1?
7-1.
7-1. It would be hard if Jacob went goal. Take the money there.
I wish we had one of them.
We've got one over there as well.
You had one back in the day.
One's up there.
No, I've seen that shot. I wish we had someone like you at our club. Do you fancy signing for us? £10 a game.
You done lost your damn mind.
For what?
Record our games.
What, and edit it? Because I edit these as well.
How long does it take? Because we depending on the video, innit?
No, this video.
I'm not stealing your camera, lady, but she says she wants a better club.
Absolutely not. Not me. Certainly not I.
Alright, second half begins. And almost another mistake. Anyway, we seem to be moving the ball a bit quicker. Quick roulette, left my player. Shot's no good. 7-1. And what they can do in one half, we can do in a second. But they fire again. 8-1. Fucking hell. It's another. Surely, we must be able to get some goals. Liam off the backboard. I tried to slap one. Player gets in the way. Little one into Cam. Consolation at this point.
I don't think one bird fancy.
9-2.
Shut up. Do you know what we did?
If I'm honest, it's a great ball.
It
Just
depends
overhead
what
high.
you're talking about though.
Anyway, 9-2. Little step in. Boys seem to have injected a bit. It might be too late.
Little finger. Good you.
2-1, 2-1.
10-2 and we should punish him here.
Brad, you're so good.
It's just round the post.
Good, Jay.
10-2, they play 1-2s down the middle. We've got Jacob the cap. Anyway, Jay ball roll.
Unlucky.
Keeper saves.
Back him.
Little one back into him. We'll start again. 10-2, Matt putting his foot in there. He gets his big toe on it. 10-3, start of the comeback. It's very possible. We've seen what madder things happen at the fives. Anyway, Jacob keeping us in a decent scoreline. not making it go above double figures as it is right now.
Not bad, innit? No, it's cool. You're not winning. Huh? You're not winning.
Liam hits the post.
I remember these.
Oh, here we go, score again.
Who's
I
on
bring
your
you
team?
broke team, innit? What happened last time?
You don't score.
Challenge on the pitch. I think he distracted himself. It gets like that. 10-3, look outside of the boot to Jay. Jay stands his man, goes inside, takes him for a ride. 10-4. It seems like the boys are just starting to wake up now. Matt with the stinger. Keep it parries.
If you want to do the real stuff, we can do it outside, not in here, mate.
Yeah, I tore my ACL and I had operation.
I'm just saying. If you want to do it for real, we can do it out there.
Well, I don't know.
I've offered you, mate. You know my DMs. You know my DMs. When you're ready. Hey, I always put on YouTube. I know you remember Div 2 why you didn't win it. It's because of us. What, when we're in it? Talk to me, Cog. Why are you not in Div 1? Why won't you bring your team to Div 1, Cog? Why won't you bring your team to Div 1? Why won't you bring your team to Div 1, Cog? That's the real question. You can play for someone else, different alias, but we know it's you, your squeaky voice. We know it's you. Hey, it's alright, man. I'm outside. If you ever want to do the real thing, let me know. Cheers, big man. That's it. That's all.
Bit of back and forth on the sidelines. Doesn't lead to anything. You know? We don't want to get banned. They see that we're creating something here. Yeah, we lose. Yeah, we win. Ultimately, the people watch. So what are we? We're the People's Club. But with that, that's the final whistle. It's another loss. Hopefully the two teams below us don't gain any points. At this point, I know that they drew 12-12, which goes in our favour. But yeah, man, big up the chairman for coming out and supporting us every week, and big up the players, man, for turning up. You know, this is CC, People's Club.
Thank you.
P.S. This is the reason why you didn't have
No.
another view.
No.
It's just there for banter. Yeah, all the boys are back up, I'll see it.
Yeah.